light too, so people can see your costumes.
People of NDK2014, I have failed this city. For almost 4 years I've watched and waited for things to change. And yet I fear I have held myself back from doing what needed to be done. Not anymore.
Congratulations in more ways than one. All right, you two, get a room. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for attending NDK2014's 2014 Costume Contest.
That turned out good. He always wants you.
Okay. Yep.
Neato!
Maybe. Possible. He didn't propose to me like that. Yeah, I know.